From launch day, the Apple Vision Pro has been an interesting product experience. Long demonstrations, detailed face scans, and sizing complications are just some of the few hurdles Apple has faced. The growing yet uniquely concentrated market for augmented reality headsets has only a few notable players. The Apple Vision Pro sits in between augmented reality and virtual reality headset markets. With questionable benefits from the Apple ecosystem and a unique control scheme, the product launch of the Apple Vision Pro requires deeper study. However, there are some use cases where the Apple Vision Pro exceeds expectations. Movies, media content, and immersion play a huge part of my Apple Vision Pro usage. Even video calls with Cisco WebEx has been great and fitted with a slew of features from AI Assistant to personas. The audio quality from the over-the-ear speakers is crisp and can be great for consuming media. The OLED screens built into the headset are crystal clear and emit light that sometimes just might irritate your eyes after a long When the headset fits snug on your face, it feels extremely comfortable, if you're lying down, of course. It's still surprising that the sheer weight of the headset didn't seem to be much of a factor when designing it. As a user, I am more comfortable using the headset in settings where I don't need to move my head. However, if the intended use is to develop for augmented reality and virtual reality applications, one would assume that users need to move around with the headset. Comfort is king for wearable technology. Gaming on the Vision Pro probably accounts for about 5% of my usage. Graphics, audio, and overall control schemes are great for most games that are part of the Apple Arcade program. Though I have not tried any third-party applications that are paid, the experience of the free ones has been satisfactory. There aren't many games I would come back to exclusively play on the Apple Vision Pro. Web browsing, texting, and other keyboard-related activities are relatively usable. Don't expect to be blown away with the typing controls on the Vision Pro unless you're using Diction. Even after 9 months of serious user experience, I find it challenging to use the Vision Pro for many productivity use cases. This is due to a combination of many factors, including the weight of the headset and the accuracy of the hand and eye tracking. At a $3,500 price point, however, the Apple Vision Pro remains the last recommendation for a virtual reality headset. However, the promise of augmented reality is commendable. Applications built around the augmented reality experience of the headset are far more impressive than any virtual reality that the headset offers. With material changes, refined use cases, and advanced tracking capabilities, the Apple Vision Pro could soon become a major leader in the overall headset market. After witnessing the product launch from the customer side and using the device for at least 3 times a week for 2+ hours, I can still only conditionally recommend that you get one. That's not to say that the future isn't bright for Apple in this segment. By listening to your users and gathering the right feedback into actionable plans, this will help Apple truly ship a more efficient device. For a first headset in the market, this isn't a bad take. The future is bright, and I just hope that the Apple Vision Pro 2 is around the corner with striking design choices and a more usable form factor.